All right, quick follow-up video just to go into more detail on how it is that I wired up these Sanooer tow mirrors. All right, so each mirror's got some wires coming off of them, all right? Both sides have white, blue, and gray. So the two grays are your grounds, all right? And I just put them on a ground, both of them here under the dash. The two whites I spliced together and then sent through a grommet under the hood. The two blues I spliced together, sent through a grommet under the hood. Those two, the blue and the white wires are coming out right here. I used the tip of a soldering iron to just make a pinhole in this boot so that this seals and you don't have to worry about water intrusion. And then I pulled the fuse box cover out so that I could run those wires down underneath and up. And then I'm utilizing these two fuse taps. So this one up here is the 15 amp trailer park. That's where the blue wire is going to. And then this one down here is trailer backup. So this is the white wire. Okay. That is the white wire. And that's right there. The white wire trailer backup, that is powering these lights so that when you put the truck in reverse, these spotlights come on and light up what's behind you. And if I just click this into the park situation, that blue wire is what is in the trailer park slot. That's what's powering the daytime running lights. But they're not actually daytime running lights. They're like parking lights. So when the daytime running lights are on, those are not on. But when I kick either the parking lights or the headlights on, then those come on. That's just the way that I chose to wire it. You could wire it to the daytime running lights if you'd like. But yeah. The two gray wires coming from the doors, from the mirrors, kill that. Going here is where I grounded them. Just spliced the two whites together, sent them through the grommet under the hood. The two blues, spliced them together, sent them through the grommet under the hood.